Many people don't know that Desmos can import data from a spreadsheet. What I have here is an untitled spreadsheet in Google Sheets. I am going to take the values. I've got 5 different pairs, and there's an X observation and a Y observation. I'm just going to take those pairs. I'm going to copy and paste them, move over to Desmos, throw it in, and there you have it. It is not too hard to make tables in Desmos. It's also useful to know how to create a table from scratch right in Desmos. All you do is you just click onto a new line and you write table, and it will immediately begin a table for you. You could say 4, 5, 2, 8, 7, 1. Now we have this other population. You see that Desmos has selected white, so our table plot points are in white. We haven't lost the old data. The old data was in pink. We see both data sets at the same time, which can be quite helpful.